Amid rising energy costs and growing demand for sustainability, businesses urgently need efficient energy storage solutions. The VERYPOWER 100KW energy block, 104 kWh, 215 kWh, stands out as a benchmark for industrial and commercial energy transition based on its modular design, high energy density, and intelligent management. Why choose VERYPOWER 100KW energy storage block? This system has flexible capacity configuration and provides two capacity versions of 104 kWh and 215 kWh to meet diverse energy needs and is suitable for factories, shopping malls, data centers, and other places. The modular design supports parallel expansion of megawatt-level energy storage systems. At the same time, the VERYPOWER 100KW energy storage system provides 100 kW continuous output, ensuring stable operation of high-power equipment and reducing dependence on the power grid during peak hours. The combination of intelligent charging and discharging control and peak valley electricity price strategy can reduce energy costs by more than 30%. In addition, the VERYPOWER 100KW energy storage system is equipped with lithium iron phosphate batteries, cycle times over 6,000 times, which have excellent high-temperature stability. IP55 protection level, safe and reliable, can adapt to harsh weather and industrial environments. With such powerful functions, let's take a look at its application areas. In the industrial field, the VERYPOWER 100KW energy storage system provides all-weather uninterrupted power supply, reduces the risk of power outages, and ensures stable operation of the production line. It also recycles excess energy in the production process to improve efficiency. In commercial use, electricity bills can be reduced by peak shaving, storing energy during off-peak hours for use during the day in shopping malls, offices. It can also be used as an emergency backup power source to prevent loss of revenue due to power outages. Renewable energy integration. The VERYPOWER 100KW energy storage system seamlessly integrates with the solar-wind energy system to store surplus green energy and achieve 100% clean energy utilization. From energy independence to smart grid compatibility, the VERYPOWER 100KW energy block is your step into a cleaner, more efficient future. Contact us today for customized energy storage solutions built for your industry.